We gotta be honest about our circumstances in this country.
Absolutely, honorable member, I agree with you.
We are not innocent. We are also a guilty party in some of the nonsense that are happening. Racism against black people is wrong. Against white people is wrong.
Why so that?
Racism is a serious crime.
Yes.
When somebody is racist, you need to put them in jail.
This is what you said in 2024.
No, I was probably the biggest racist you can ever find.
What?
I hated white people with a passion.
Why? Tell me why.
Because I thought white people just see me as a kafir. When they speak, they see a kafir.
Colored people especially victimize themselves in congruence with black people. They say that, you know what, the government doesn't prioritize us as coloreds. Besties, the government does the exact same thing to black people.
They must recognize the colored people. We were here first. Yes. The Korean sun was here first. This is our country.
I called Malema a cockroach.
Now,
One man was calling me a racist. I asked him, why are you saying I'm a racist? And he said, whenever you speak only about colored people. And I engaged him. And brethren, let me tell you, the issues of colored people has not been addressed yet.
I am so sick and tired of colored people refusing to understand that yes, they have problems. Yes, there is so much poverty in our colored communities. But those exact issues exist in black communities too.
Some of you say South Africans are lazy. Let me tell you something. That's a lie to suit yourself.
But the problem with us is that as black people, I'm talking about here, we are lazy. And people are scared to say that. I'm not scared to say black people are lazy.
This division that Gayton McKenzie is clearly able to create so openly and easily is because colored people refuse to accept that they are black. They refuse to accept their blackness.
Colored people are only black when it's convenient. You have to watch out for these guys.
Let us look at the evidence.
We are being sold out by our own people, and people are scared to say it. They are there, black as us.
What did he say?
They are there, black as us.
Continue, honorable member.
I want to say to every white person in this country, you can no longer be held accountable for the sins of your father. White people should stop being blamed for our incompetence.
Oh, reverse.
Nelson Mandela is no sellout. You white people turned him into a sellout.
A what now?
He said, you guys must work together. Afrikaners are good people. Look at where we are today. The ANC's base is black. The DA's base is white. Freedom Front Plus base is white. The PA's base is colored, and I'm very proud. PA is responsible. When your children are being poisoned and you say nothing, that doesn't make you responsible. If you commit a crime against a child, I kill you. I hang you.
This is what you said.
When you sleep with a girl when she's drunk, you don't have a consent. It's rape. We used to make women drunk in order to sleep with them. But that's rape.
Oh, wait,
Let's talk about you. I mean, you spent 10 years in prison. I mean, what were you in prison for?
At the age of 13, I got really involved in gangsterism. At the age of 15, I was involved in my first bank robbery. At the age of 18, I was one of the most wanted bank robbers in this country. At the age of 20, I was sentenced to jail. I became a member of the 26 gang.
But what's going to happen about the arts?
He says, the business of drugs, he thinks he's making a point, Dr. Ndlozi. The business of drugs has been taken over by Nigerians. He wants us to take over the business of drugs. He doesn't say we must close down the drugs.
The devil sent other devils here to this country to come and sell drugs to our children, to come and sell body parts of our people.
A government minister cannot deliberately mislead the House. You must speak facts on behalf of a government.
Abahambe.
So that is the manifesto. Mabahambe. Bahamba bayakuphi. Mahambe.
Illegal foreigners have jobs in South Africa, but we don't have jobs.
They want Nigerians to go so that they can sell the drugs.
You know what me and Malema has in common?
No!
We're both bank robbers. We believe and we know, myself and Kenny and Julius are not the right people to govern this country.
Listen properly.
PA is the kingmaker in this election, together with EFF and IFP.
Honorable member, what are you talking about?
I'm in politics for power. You are too used to politicians that lie to you. I'm here for power. I will make sure that you know that whatever you want to study in life, you become that. The country is rich enough. Black people, because he's got a university degree, and that is this degree spoils them. Because he thinks degree is life.
Ah, la la.
Proceed, honorable member.
Did you have a specific criteria like you'll never rob black people?
No, we never. Black people have no money to rob, bro. What will you rob a black person? Yeah, what will you rob? They got nothing. Why you want to rob the rest of the rich?
Fun.
She hear me singing.
No one here is safe.
Oh.